Hi everyone, Gary Barlow here with DR Horton. We're excited to be part of Top Guns again this year as one of the major sponsors. If you've never been to a Top Guns event before, let me tell you just how great it really is. Top Guns is the premier education event of the year. The association brings together the best of the best from some of the top performing agents in the area. Then you'll hear from them about what has made them so successful, the best advice right from the source. Plus, this year we have a fantastic speaker, Jason Abrams. He'll tell us about tripling our business and loving life. He's known across the country for success, with his team being ranked top 100 real estate teams nationwide. Where else can you get so much knowledge in one place? Nowhere. So we look forward to seeing you at this year's Top Guns, Friday, September 21st from 8:30 to 12:30 at Pelican Preserve Golf and Country Club. You can sign up on the dashboard, but do it soon before the event sells out. And I'll see you on September 21st.